everybody, welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to make a spinach basil pesto. I have our Parmesan, our pine nuts are already toasted. They were in the 300-degree oven for 8 minutes, and that is 1 cup of pine nuts. We're going to be using 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 cup of olive oil. I have 4 ounces of basil, and we're going to use only half of this. We're just going to use 2.5 ounces of our baby spinach. So first I'm going to get these smashed. So I just, with the palm of my hand, smash down on my knife, and then that releases the juices in the garlic. Well, then we'll get it into our blender. And I'm going to do this in the quick style. On my Italian basil pesto recipe previously, I blanched the basil, put it in an ice bath, and then used it. Today we're just going to do a quick method, throw it in the food processor, and get it ready. Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. So I just wanted to show you the packaging. Here is our basil. This was a 4-ounce package. So 2-ounce package. I had 2 of these, so we had 4 ounces of basil. And we are going to start off with the basil in here first and pulse it until it's cut up. And then we're going to add in half of this container of our baby spinach. Okay, and since we are doing this quick, we're just going to eyeball half of this package and get that in there. Once everything's finally chopped in the food processor, we're going to drizzle in the olive oil. I just tasted it. It tastes fabulous, but you know what? I think I'm going to make it. It does, appearance-wise, it doesn't look green enough for me, and I do like iron, so I think we're just going to use the whole entire container. So we're going to throw all 5 ounces of the spinach in there. And this is the pesto that we're going to use on top of our white pizza. We're going to make a white pizza with ricotta, mozzarella, and this pesto. There we go, a nice bright green spinach and basil pesto. Oh, I can't wait to try this. There we go, our beautiful pesto. And since we're not going to use it right now, but we want to store it in the fridge, I'm just pouring a drizzle of olive oil over the top. And that'll help keep it okay in the refrigerator for a couple days. Thank you so much for watching. For the recipe, look in the description. I'm also going to include the link for our white pesto pizza. Thank you so much for watching. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.